नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है हर्ष सैनी और आज की वीडियो के अंदर अपन बनाने वाले हैं 9 वाट का एलईडी बल्ब। जी हाँ दोस्तों, आप ये एलईडी बल्ब अपने घर पर बना सकते हो। मतलब कि जो आप मार्केट से लेकर आते हो उसकी आधी रेट के अंदर आपको ये एलईडी बल्ब आपके घर पर जो है कि बन के रेडी हो जाएगा। और जो है कि आप इस एलईडी बल्ब को बनाकर आपके घर के अंदर आप चाहो तो लगा सकते हो, वरना आप चाहो तो इसे सेल भी कर सकते हो। वो आपके ऊपर है कि आप इसका क्या करते हो। आप चाहो तो इसे मार्केट के अंदर बेच सकते हो और आप जो है कि इनकम जनरेट कर सकते हो, मतलब कि इनकम कर सकते हो इससे। और आप जो है कि इससे जो है कि अपन बनाना स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो चलिए बिना देर की आज की इंटरेस्टिंग सी वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। Since I fell in love, but after last time, don't wanna mess things up. You're so beautiful, and I can't deny. My heart is always with you, my head's always stuck in time. Love, let me go, 'cause I've been holding on for far too long. I've been fighting and keeping strong. Now you just gotta let me go. Time, wash away every feeling that can cause me pain. All these memories I can't escape. Can you let them all wash away? Let it all wash away, 'cause I don't wanna feel the pain. Love, just let me go, 'cause I don't wanna feel the pain of holding on and keeping strong. So now I'm moving on. I don't wanna feel the same, so love, just let me go. Guess I didn't know it would end this way. One drink too much and I could see your face. Why did I let you go? How could I let you leave? Will I ever see you? And do you think of me? Love, let me go, 'cause I've been holding on for far too long. I've been fighting and keeping strong. Now you just gotta let me go. Time, wash away every feeling that can cause me pain. All these memories I can't escape. Can you let them all wash away? Let it all wash away, 'cause I don't wanna feel the pain. Love, just let me go, 'cause I don't wanna feel the pain of holding on and keeping strong. So now I'm moving on. I don't wanna feel the same, so love, just let me go.
I got a bottle of Patron and some lights off. Two red devil looking eyeballs. And I'm finna turn up when the night falls. If you hear a siren, then it's my fault. Jump in my whip, baby, let's ride. We ain't gonna stop at a red light. And I'ma take shots like a Tech 9. It's gonna get live. Here we go, it's about to go down. Let me know, I'ma buy another round. Get low, drop it down to the ground. Oh yeah, wow, shorty make it bounce. Mama see the put cuffs on my cardiac. Took my breath away like a heart attack. And I'ma spend every dime in my money back. Everybody wanna know. If you're ready, let me know. Let's go. If you're ready, let me know. Let me know. Let me know. If you're ready, let me know. Here we go. Let's go. I got a bottle of Grey Goose and ice cubes. Type of drink that'll put me in the right mood. 80 proof's gonna lower my IQ. And I've been the same way since high school.
उम्मीद करता हूँ यार दोस्तों ये छोटी सी वीडियो आपको ज़रूर पसंद आई होगी। ये वीडियो के अंदर आपको कुछ ना कुछ देखने को और सीखने को मिला होगा। आपका वक्त बिल्कुल भी मैंने जो है कि बर्बाद नहीं किया होगा। तो मुझे दीजिए विदा, तब तक के लिए जय हिंद,
जय भारत।